How long after dissolving can you get new filler?
Oh, this is a good one. Because when we talked about, if someone has, lumps and bumps and filler they don't like, they're all on board for dissolving, but they want them refilled, let's say lips, right? And they want their lips refilled the same day. So that is a no-no. Because the dissolving agent works instantly, and we can see that happening when we dissolve, but it will continue to work for about 12 to 24 hours after that. Plus you're going to get some swelling, a little bit of trauma because we have injected those areas.
Yep.
So my policy, and I'd say most clinics' policy, is to wait 2 weeks before refilling the areas. That helps to make sure that all the dissolving agent has done its job, because what we don't want to do is dissolve and then say you were to do it the same day or the next day, is you're injecting new filler and then it's actually dissolving.
Yeah.
So that would be even more heartbreaking for the patient. So I say wait 2 weeks. So make sure all your dissolving has taken effect, but also to make sure that the swelling, any bruising and things like that from the dissolving has calmed down as well. We want the lips really nice and healed. And I also really love to see people at that baseline as well.
Yeah.
Because that's when we can really assess, what do your lips look like I'm focusing on lips because most people end up dissolving their lips at some, for lumps and bumps. Very rare that we have to dissolve other areas. But it was really great to see people's, or let's say faces at baseline, and then determining, do they have any natural symmetry, what product is most suitable to re-inject with, and things like that. So that was a long-winded answer, but 2 weeks.
We want a blank canvas.
Yeah,
don't
exactly.
we?
And sometimes, sometimes people go, I actually really love my lips as they are. And then I'm like, you know what, my job here's done.
We've had that quite a bit recently, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or they'll just want maybe the tiniest bit, back. And I think I'll digress a little bit here, but one of the most probably powerful dissolving moments for me with a patient, and this was probably about 2 years ago, was someone they'd had, so much filler done what I call clinic hopping.
Yep.
Until they land with an injector that says no, which is me, right? And then I'm like, this is Highleys. It's our new friend. And it was incredible because, and she was kind of like, I don't love my lips, but, okay, I'll do this process with you. And we dissolved them, and she came back 2 weeks later, and she did a lot of presentations, and videos and things like that. And she came in and she was like, I had no idea that I couldn't articulate my words properly because she had all this filler sitting in what we call the wet border of her mouth. She couldn't speak properly. And she comes back and she's like, I can speak properly. And then we did a really small amount of filler, very natural look, injected it where it should be sitting. And she can't believe that her lips feel like normal lips. Yeah. Because before they felt firm and, as I said, couldn't talk properly. Wow. And that was probably the most powerful dissolving
That's awesome
situation I ever had.
Wow.
Yeah.